In this video, we're breaking down the AT&T Points Plus credit card from Citi, how it works, the rewards you actually get, and whether it's worth applying. AT&T Points Plus card overview. This is AT&T's official Citi credit card, made for AT&T wireless customers who want monthly bill credits and thank you points. Here's what you get right away. $200 statement credit after $1,000 spent in 3 months, $20 monthly bill credit with $1,000 plus spend, or $10 bill credit if you spend $500 to $999.99. That's up to $240 a year in savings, plus thank you points on every purchase and no annual fee. AT&T Points Plus card fees and rates. Let's talk basics. Annual fee, $0, completely free to hold. APR, variable, depending on your credit profile. Foreign transaction fee, yes, 3% of international purchases. Pre-approval, offers may vary, so check the application link directly from AT&T or Citi. AT&T card rewards explained. You're not earning cash back. You're earning Citi ThankYou Points. 3x points at gas stations and EV charging. 2x points at grocery stores plus grocery delivery. 1x point on all other purchases. Points never expire as long as your account is open. Redeem your points for gift cards, travel, online shopping, statement credit. More options on thankyou.com. How much can you actually earn? If you spend about $1,000 a month, you'll earn roughly 24,000 points a year. Those points are worth around $240 in gift cards. Add $20 bill credits every month. That's another $240 a year, plus the $200 welcome bonus. Altogether, your first-year value is roughly $680. Is the AT&T Points Plus card worth it? If you're already in the AT&T wireless ecosystem and spend $500 to $1,000 a month, then yes, the monthly bill credits and rewards make the card worth it. If you're not an AT&T customer or you won't hit those spending thresholds consistently, the card loses most of its value. To learn more, check out our full post. Link in the description. That's your full breakdown of the AT&T X Citi Points Plus credit card. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more money and tech breakdown.